Hey guys, welcome back to RentSyst channel, the fleet management solutions for car rental business. In this episode, I want to share with you a video guide related to how to connect RentSyst with your accounting platform Xero. So Xero is one of the most popular accounting platform worldwide. So that's the reason why we added inside RentSyst, because a lot of our customers and users are asking about such a solution. So that's why we're here. And in this episode, I want to quickly show you how you can connect it to your RentSyst with Xero and automatically deliver your reports with invoicing for accounting. So let's get started. So you need to go inside settings, RentSyst settings, integrations and agents, and find the tab called accounting. And you can see there is an icon of with Xero. So activated this icon, you will see client ID, client secret, and redirect URL. So this redirect URL you need to copy and later on paste it inside your Xero developer account. So we just copy this link, all right? And let's going to the developer portal for Xero. Here we are. So right now we are located in developer Xero account. You need to have open RentSyst account in separate tab, and in the next tab in the browser you need to have your active developer portal as well. So if you already have account, you can log it in. Basically, this is no need to separate login in. It's the same account as your Xero is. So basically, if you have a Xero valid account, you can use the same credentials. Or if you don't have Xero accounting yet, you can sign up from the scratch, activate it, and using from here. So we will log in. And this is where you need to add your new application. You can see we have already the test one. So let's create the new one for you. So new application, clicking on it. Here you need to name your app. So let's create it as a RentSyst. You can name it as you want, but more simple to be clear for you, you can name it as RentSyst, of course. Integration types we save as web application. And this is where you can link your redirect URL. One second. So, yeah, this one. And the company URL should be like rentsys.com with those format like I show you here. So this should be like HTTPS. Right, so you have application name, web application type, company URL, and redirect URL. By this, you agree with the terms and conditions from Xero Developer Portal, create application. And right now you can see it's easily created. You need to go inside configuration tab here. And to link it your Xero with RentSyst, you just need to have two options, like copy client ID. So let's copy this one. And generate a secret. So click generate a secret, copy this one. So now you're able to link it with your RentSyst. So let's go inside your RentSyst account. So here we are on integration tab, click Xero. So copy your client ID and copy your client secret. So I want to pay attention that these creds are fully tested. It's not valid, so don't use them on your real account. All right. Okay, so after this one, you can see RentSyst is asking the permission with to link it with your organization company. So you allow access, and by this there will be redirection for mapping. So the mapping is it means that you need to link it your items names, your products list, which is based on RentSyst, and link it together with your Xero. So all the left mentions, like all the rest, these options like delivery price, return price, this is what RentSyst has inside as a product. So you need to link it with your Xero. To make it faster and automatically, I recommended to leave it like it is. Just create new tags and yeah, create new service or like this one. So you just create it like a new service from the scratch, and RentSyst will be automatically create the product list inside your Xero. automatically. So just click save it. There should be a few seconds to connection, and it will be works. So let's wait up. Yeah, great. So you can see it's quite fast. Link it. You can see Xero logo is active. It means that integration is fully completed. And let me show you how does it works. So basically, you need to go for reservations. Right now, you can see we have rental, which is today will be closed. So basically, I will close my reservation, and it means that the system automatically will deliver this data about all this information about order, like order, product, deliveries, customer name, pricing, everything. It will deliver automatically from RentSyst to your Xero. So I will make it quite fast check-in. You can see payment was done. So basically there will be transaction, delivery, payment, method of payment, which you linked, the price, everything. So I will close it. Yes. Okay. So basically if you refresh the page, you can see right now it's gray. But if you refresh the page, the gray means it's like not delivered yet, but it will be automatically delivered. So refresh this page. Now you can see it's blue one. So this means that the RentSyst is delivered invoice to your Xero. And also from here, when you click it on this icon, you can see open invoice. So that basically that means you can also open such an invoice the same from RentSyst. It will be opening separately on your Xero account. So basically that's how it works, such an integration. We hope that you will find this also convenient and automated for your business as well. Thanks for watching this guide. Hope to see you around, and see you in the next video guides.